what are Templar-AXION seals? And these are 6th and 7th dimensional genetic alterations. They were placed about 10,000 and 3,500 years ago. They removed the 6th base overtone of our DNA strand. So basically, they lock our astral, mental, and emotional bodies into the 3D state. So basically, in short, it does not allow us to ascend any further. These seals would causes you to go in loops and not be able to progress forward with your evolution. The Zeta seal is a deliberate interference in the course of evolution from the Zeta or the Greys. These are negative races from the Orion star system, and their genetic manipulation of humanity was taking place around the year 1748. And it also involved the removal of certain strands of our DNA to create a hidden frequency fence around Earth. Because of the Zeta seal, we are not able to connect with our higher self or our higher dimensional guidance system, which all of us need as an essential part of our ascension. The removal of the Zeta seals allows us more access and more connection with our higher self, which otherwise is impossible if you have this in you. Finally, 7 unnatural Jehovian death seals. They are also known as JSEALs. These are energetic implants that were placed in Earth's anatomy. They were introduced by Jehovian Anunnaki, and removal of these Jehovian death seals allows us to integrate the incoming higher frequencies. Since 2017, Earth is opening up her Stargate portals. Earth is going through a stellar activation cycle. Many star systems like the Pleiades, like the Sirius star system, like the Andromedan star system, these star systems are sending us very high coded frequencies from their home stars to help us ascend in many stages. So the removal of the JSEALs allows us to fully receive these stellar frequencies and not be blocked off from them. 90% of the population is like literally walking around asleep. They'll see a UFO in the sky and they'll just go back to their job. They won't bat an eyelash. Why is that? They've turned us into zombies. They've numbed our mind. They've cut us off from our rational thinking. So most of humanity is so drunk in their addiction to these 3D way of living that we don't even look outside of our reality. And these JSEALs are what causes that. So once these JSEALs are removed from most of humanity, we'll literally see a mass awakening.